Alright, so today I have the Corsair K95 keyboard to unbox for you guys. So I ordered it from Best Buy like 3 days ago, and it finally came today, so very excited. Of course, got those browns. I was originally going to go with blues, and then I realized that, clickies were going to be annoying after a while, so yeah. Corsair K95 RGB mechanical keyboard. This is my first mechanical keyboard here. I'll show you guys my other keyboard. So this is my, I'm turning it on. Yeah, so this is my Alienware keyboard that I've been using for about 3 years now. It does have the underglow. It's coming. You can kind of see like the greens, and then there's the red right there. My mouse, and then here's my computer. But yeah, this is the keyboard. That is a brand new one. So let's see. So there is some tape. I have a knife with me though. This is probably not the best knife, but come on. Alright, there we go. Let's decide. Oh, it's a box inside of a box. Yes, and it didn't work. Come on. Come on. Get out. Like. Oh. This is it. Alright. 2 flaps. Oh my god. How awesome is this? Yo. Nice braided cable. That's a lot. Oh, this. I believe one's for the main power, and then another one's like there's a USB back switch to it. Take the whole thing out. There we go. Then oh god, I'm just like tipping everything over. Here's the wrist rest. Anything else? Warranty and user manual. Throw it to the side. So go ahead and take this wrist rest out. My knife. There it is. I'll just kind of like, stab a little hole. Take the wrist rest out. And yeah. So this is wrist rest. Now, keyboard. So definitely not going to want to knife this. Feels so nice, yo. I'm just going to pry it apart. Not even going to risk a knife getting near this baby. This beautiful looking keyboard. Oh my god, I can already feel the lovely browns. Alright, almost done. Kind of hard doing it with this only one hand, honestly. Should have probably bought the tripod up with me here, but I mean, I got too excited. This all done. If it wants to come out, oh, it's in the cable now. There you go. Here it is. It's got feet to it. And 1 foot. Yeah. Alright, and then it's got this brand new Corsair logo that I'm sure everybody loves. Not really. And then, yeah, so, I mean, sounds amazing. Got a nice volume wheel. Nice media keys. And out here. Here, I'll give you guys a little sound test to it if you want. It's probably going to be crappy since it's on my phone, but yeah. So yeah, here it is. I'll probably, I don't know if I'll maybe make another video of it when it's like all colored up and stuff like that. But yeah, so here's the keyboard itself. It's so awesome. It's got the, I believe it's got an aluminum backplate to it. It's full metal with 18 macros. which I doubt I'll even use, but I mean, I'll use a couple of them probably. And everything is fully mechanical, 100% anti-ghosting. I think it's 128 or 122 key rollover, so you can click 122 keys or 128 keys at once and it will register every single click of it. You got your modes for your colors up top. Brightness, looks like, don't know what that is, honestly. It's like a little, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like a little Windows sign with like a lock on it, I don't know. Then you got your media keys, and then, so yeah. Corsair K95 RGB, fully mechanical keyboard. It's gonna be awesome. Really enjoy it. Thanks guys for watching.